Cast.
Well, back in the 80s once again today, a beautiful afternoon. How about the view from Afton, captured by Kenneth Johnston there as we look out. And of course, just delightful to be outside if you like it warm. Last day of April, more like June, with numbers back in the middle 80s for many. Here's a beautiful rhododendron in bloom, and that captured by Margaret Johnson there in Stanton as the spring blooms continue to unfold. The azaleas are certainly beautiful right now. What has been lacking has been our April showers. Now, this is the last day of the month. At the airport, only 1.6 inches of rainfall, so that's just only about half of what the average would be for the month, which is over 3. Now, with 4 months completed for the year, we've seen just over 7 3/10 of an inch of precipitation. Average to date would be over 12, so our current deficit continues to climb right now over 4.6. Now, we do have some showers in the offing, some rain chances, but in the short term, it doesn't look all that impressive. Another very warm day, as mentioned, 87 at the airport. That's 13 degrees above average for this time of year. Currently, it's 85 at the airport, 86 in Palmyra. We've got 84 in Stanton and 82 currently in Louisa. Satellite radar combination, things are pretty quiet here this afternoon. Looks to stay that way here for this evening and tonight. Storminess down across far southwest Virginia, back into North Carolina. We do have a front that is near the I-64 corridor, and that's basically going to lift back north as we head into the late week. So temperatures tonight under partly cloudy skies. Most of us will bottom out in the lower 60s, a few upper 50s north and west. Let's take a look at your Thursday. Once again, temperatures pretty much back in the mid 80s for the afternoon. There could be a pop-up hit or miss shower or thunderstorm as we move into the afternoon and evening, but no widespread rain. Now the weekend. It is trending wetter. The front that we were looking to come through on Friday night into Saturday morning is going to take even longer to move through. So the chances for showers and storms are there for Saturday afternoon and evening. And then to complicate matters, that front is only going to move so far east. There's going to be an area of low pressure aloft, and that'll generate more opportunities for unsettled conditions and shower chances, not only Sunday, but into early next week. So here's the front coming through on Saturday. But this area of low pressure that sits back behind it is going to hang out not only for Saturday, but also Sunday as well, and maybe into Monday and Tuesday before it slowly gets kicked farther east. And so that'll be the impetus for those showers and even some thunder showers over the next several days. And right now there is a chance of rain for the Kentucky Derby, at least in the morning on Saturday. So we got a front that's nearby that's going to lift north. All the action tonight is still back across portions of the Ohio Valley and back into the Plain States. And of course, yesterday, a big outbreak of severe weather, nearly 600 wind damage reports, 5 tornado reports. And again, you can see areas like St. Louis on tornado watch right now, and several across eastern Texas, Louisiana, and Arkansas. So we should remain quiet here tonight. Temperatures in the morning will start in the 60s, partly sunny skies. It's warm. We'll trigger a hit or miss shower or thunderstorm. Don't think there'll be widespread coverage. As we move into Friday, kind of much the same. We'll start in the 60s in the morning. Afternoon highs will warm into the 80s. Right now, nothing impressive, but there could certainly be some storminess. And then we'll watch Saturday and Sunday for those rain chances to increase a little more. Tonight, partly cloudy, lower 60s for many. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Remaining on the summery side through Friday, temperatures will back down over the weekend. And again, right now trending a little wetter as we roll through the weekend and first part of next week, but the rain is certainly needed.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Well, it's that time of year when a spotted